Ever pondered over the robust flavors that dance in your mouth when you take a bite of spaghetti carbonara? Ever wondered what goes into creating this classic Italian dish that has taken the world by storm? It's time to unravel the mystery and dive into the world of cooking spaghetti carbonara. First off, gather all the ingredients. They say cooking is an art, and every artist needs their tools. For spaghetti carbonara, you need spaghetti, about half a kilogram, 200 grams of guanciale or pancetta, 4 large egg yolks, 100 grams of pecorino romano cheese, and freshly ground black pepper. Start by boiling a pot of water for the spaghetti. Remember, patience is key in cooking. While you wait for the water to boil, cut the guanciale or pancetta into small bite-sized pieces. Once the water begins to boil, add a pinch of salt, and then the spaghetti. As the spaghetti cooks, it's time to turn your attention to the guanciale or pancetta. Heat a large pan over medium heat, add the guanciale or pancetta, and cook until it's crispy and the fat has rendered out. Now, whisk the egg yolks in a separate bowl, add the pecorino romano cheese, and mix them until they form a creamy paste. Don't forget that generous sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper. It's the secret ingredient that gives spaghetti carbonara its signature kick. Once the spaghetti is al dente, meaning it's cooked but still has a firm bite, drain it, but remember to save a cup of the pasta water. This starchy water is a secret weapon of many Italian recipes. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add the drained spaghetti to the pan with guanciale or pancetta, stir it around to coat the spaghetti in the fat. Then, remove the pan from the heat and quickly add the egg and cheese mixture. Stir quickly and vigorously to combine everything without scrambling the eggs. If it's too thick, add a little of the pasta water you saved earlier. And there you have it, the perfect spaghetti carbonara. To recap, you start by boiling the spaghetti and cooking the guanciale or pancetta. Meanwhile, prepare a creamy mixture of egg yolks, pecorino romano cheese, and black pepper. Once the spaghetti is cooked, combine it with the cooked guanciale or pancetta and the creamy mixture, and voila! You've got spaghetti carbonara. It's a harmonious blend of simple ingredients that come together to create a dish that's nothing short of a culinary masterpiece. Now, you're armed with the knowledge to make this authentic Italian dish right at home. Enjoy the process, and remember, the secret to great cooking lies in the love and passion you pour into it. Remember, there's no single right way to cook. Experiment, have fun, and most importantly, enjoy the fruits of your labor. Spaghetti carbonara might just become your new favorite dish to cook and eat.